1. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Convertible. Price $8,500. Located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Convertible is a stylish American sports car that combines open-top cruising with classic V8 performance. Finished in a bright red exterior with a black interior, this Camaro maintains the aggressive appearance that made early 90s performance cars so popular. The convertible design adds an extra level of enjoyment, making it an ideal weekend cruiser or daily driver with vintage character. Powered by a replacement 5.0-liter 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the car delivers smooth and reliable performance. Although the odometer shows higher mileage, the engine replacement helps provide renewed drivability. Numerous suspension and steering components have recently been replaced, including shocks, tie rods, pitman arm, idle arm, and center link, improving ride quality and handling. A new battery has also been installed for dependable starting. The interior has been updated with modern features including a touchscreen radio, amplifiers, and dual kicker subwoofers with a custom enclosure. The vehicle also comes with replacement T-tops and large custom wheels with good tires. This Camaro offers a unique combination of classic styling, comfort, and modern audio upgrades. 2. 1974 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Price $4,000. Located in Council Bluffs, Iowa. This 1974 Pontiac Firebird Coupe is a classic American muscle car project with strong performance potential and aggressive styling. Finished in a black exterior with a red interior, the car carries the bold appearance that made the Firebird one of the most recognizable performance cars of the 70s. Its long body lines and sporty stance still give it a commanding road presence even in project condition. Under the hood sits a Vortec 350 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, offering a solid foundation for street or strip performance. The drivetrain combination is well known for reliability and power, making this Firebird a promising platform for enthusiasts looking to build a strong classic muscle car. The vehicle currently needs a power steering pump and brackets, so additional mechanical work will be required before regular driving. Although it remains a project vehicle, the car presents excellent value for buyers seeking an affordable restoration candidate with performance upgrades already installed. This Firebird is best suited for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on projects and want a vintage Pontiac with strong muscle car character and future potential. 3. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price $10,000. Located in Wichita Falls, Texas. This 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a clean example of classic 80s American muscle with a desirable black and gold color combination that continues to attract attention. The car features factory-style wheels, rear window louvers, and an aggressive stance that perfectly captures the spirit of the era. The body panels remain straight overall, giving the vehicle a strong and solid appearance for its age. Powered by a manual transmission setup, this Camaro delivers a more engaging driving experience than many automatic-equipped models from the same period. The vehicle runs and drives well, making it suitable for immediate enjoyment while still offering room for cosmetic improvements over time. The interior remains clean and functional, maintaining much of its original vintage styling and comfort. The paint does show some peeling and signs of age, but the car is far from a neglected project. Instead, it represents an honest driver quality classic that can be improved gradually while still being enjoyed on the road. With values of 80s performance cars steadily increasing, this Z28 offers strong collector appeal and timeless muscle car styling. 4. 1975 Chevrolet Monza Roller. Price $6,500. Located in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. This 1975 Chevrolet Monza Roller is a purpose-built drag racing platform designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Finished in a gray exterior with black interior setup, the vehicle has been extensively modified with lightweight fiberglass components including a one-piece front end, doors, hood, and rear bumper. Lexan windows further reduce weight, making the car highly competitive for drag strip applications. The chassis has been professionally back-halved and fitted with ladder bar suspension, anti-roll bar, and upgraded coilover suspension components from AFCO and Viking. It also includes a built 8.8 rear end with 4.10 gears and Willwood rear brakes for improved traction and stopping performance. Previously configured with a small block Chevy and Powerglide transmission, the car achieved excellent weight distribution and lightweight performance characteristics. Although sold as a roller without drivetrain, this Monza provides an outstanding foundation for a custom race car build. Its lightweight construction and racing upgrades make it an excellent choice for drag racers seeking a highly prepared platform with proven potential and aggressive styling. 5. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro RS. Price $2,500. Located in Plattsburgh, Missouri. This 1988 Chevrolet Camaro RS is an affordable classic sports coupe with solid project potential and iconic late 80s styling. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, the car maintains the aggressive appearance that made third-generation Camaros popular among performance enthusiasts. Its sleek body lines and sporty proportions continue to stand out as a recognizable American classic. Powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, the vehicle currently does not run under normal operation but will fire with starting fluid, indicating a likely fuel delivery issue. This makes it an ideal project for someone with mechanical knowledge looking for a simple restoration or budget performance build. The drivetrain remains complete, offering a good starting point for repairs or future upgrades. The car comes with a clean title and no significant body damage reported, which adds value for buyers seeking a straightforward project platform. With its low price and classic Camaro identity, this RS model offers an opportunity to own and restore a vintage American coupe without a large initial investment. 6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price $5,000. Located in Yellville, Arkansas. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a classic second-generation muscle car with a bold black exterior and matching black interior that gives it a timeless and aggressive appearance. The long hood, sporty proportions, and unmistakable Camaro styling make this vehicle an appealing choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Its overall presentation reflects the strong personality that late 70s muscle cars are known for. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the vehicle remains a running and driving classic that still carries strong road presence. The owner has expressed interest primarily in trading for a 1967 Chevrolet pickup, making this Camaro a unique opportunity for buyers looking to negotiate a classic vehicle exchange. The car maintains a solid overall look and retains much of its vintage character. With its classic styling and strong enthusiast appeal, this Camaro represents a great foundation for restoration, customization, or continued enjoyment as a weekend cruiser. It offers the kind of authentic old-school muscle car experience that continues to attract fans of classic American performance vehicles. 7. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price $3,000. Located in California, Missouri. This 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a performance-oriented project car with strong potential for racing or custom street use. Finished in blue exterior with matching blue interior accents, the car maintains the sporty appearance associated with early 90s American muscle cars. While the interior has been mostly gutted for weight reduction and future customization, the body remains complete and structurally intact. The vehicle comes with a clean and clear title along with several valuable upgrade parts included in the sale. Among the additional components are a brand new weld and roll cage, adjustable Coney shocks, new headlights, hood brackets, transmission crossmember, and driveline-related hardware. These parts make the car highly appealing for buyers interested in building a track-focused or drag racing setup. The Camaro also features good tires and a receiver hitch, adding extra practicality and flexibility. Although it requires finishing work and interior restoration, this Z28 offers an affordable entry into classic Chevrolet performance ownership with numerous performance upgrades already included. 8. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price $7,900. Located in Sallisaw, Oklahoma. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a serious street and strip machine built for performance enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle with race-inspired upgrades. Finished in a blue exterior with black interior, The car maintains an aggressive appearance enhanced by its full roll cage and racing components. Although the paint shows some imperfections and small dings, the body remains all steel and presents well as a dedicated performance build. Under the hood sits a powerful 407 small block Chevy engine paired with a Hughes Performance 2-speed Powerglide transmission and trans brake system. Additional drivetrain upgrades include a Hughes 3000 stall converter, Curry 9-inch rear end, traction bars, and 4-wheel disc brakes. The vehicle also features a fuel cell mounted in the trunk, B&M shifter, racing bucket seat, and 5-point harness setup for improved track safety and performance. This Camaro is an excellent starter drag car for someone looking to enter motorsports while still enjoying classic muscle car styling. With strong performance hardware already installed, it offers serious potential for racing or weekend street use. 9. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28. Price $2,500. Located in Pattonsburg, Missouri. This 1988 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28 is a classic performance project car with strong potential for restoration or racing applications. Originally finished in black with red trim accents, the car carries the iconic styling that made the IROC models highly desirable among Chevrolet enthusiasts. Its sporty body design and aggressive stance continue to make it a recognizable symbol of late 80s American performance culture. The vehicle currently includes a non-running 350 engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission, along with several racing-oriented upgrades already installed. It features a roll cage, fuel cell, and special suspension shocks believed to have been designed for autocross or performance handling applications. Included with the sale is an LQ4 6-liter engine and a 4L80E transmission, giving buyers an excellent opportunity for a powerful drivetrain swap. The car comes with a clean title and additional engine-related parts, making it an attractive option for builders and enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly high-performance Camaro project. With the right restoration effort, this IROC Z28 could become a very impressive custom performance car.